President Donald J. Trump.
भारत माता की, भारत माता की।
2024. This is global election year. 64 countries around world including India and USA will face national election. Big data is being used for innovative political marketing and how it may have helped Donald Trump and Bharatiya Janata parties win previously. Data consulting services to political campaign is a fast developing area in Indian political scenario. Data-driven political campaign has started in a big sense by the US presidential election, where the campaign managers of Barack Obama has used the big data for his election campaign. Since then, election campaigns started to develop bigger databases in many of the nations, including India. It was in 2014 general election where BJP has relied more on the big data and the campaign managers to develop the political strategies. The ongoing Lok Sabha polls are certainly about big data and its consorts, algorithms, analytics and artificial intelligence. For example, if you have interacted with BJP posts of late, the algorithm would know if the nationalism message is for you. Similarly, how you react to Congress pet issue would tell the AI whether you like NYAY. This election season, you may have noticed a trend in the kind in the political videos popping up on your feed and the posts related to polls you have not participated in but are there for your reading anyway. You might have also noticed ads from election candidates in your vicinity. Join with our intelligent big data architecture such as Hadoop, PySpark, Hive, MapReduce, Flume, Scoop, etc. and be prepared for healthy bank account. Thank you for watching us. Have a good day.